There are now four big AI coding tools that developers keep talking about: Anti-Gravity, Claude Code, Cursor, and Bolt. Each one promises to make your code faster. Each one does things a little differently, and each one is best for a different kind of person. So today, we are going to be breaking down all four of them. No fluff, no hype, just a real honest look at what each tool is, what it costs, who it is made for, and where it falls short. Let us get into it. Before we compare them, let us quickly explain what each one actually is. Cursor has been around the longest of this group. It is basically a code editor. Think of it like VS Code, but with AI built right inside. You get tab completions, a chat panel, an agent mode that can write and edit code across multiple files. Most developers who try it love how familiar it feels. You open it up and it already looks like the editor you know. Claude Code is made by Anthropic, the same company behind Claude AI. Unlike Cursor, this one lives in your terminal. There is no fancy visual interface, you type commands, and the AI does the work. Reading your files, writing code, running tests, making changes, it is much more hands-off, which some developers love and others find confusing at first. Bolt is the odd one out here, because it runs entirely in your browser. Nothing to download. You just go to the website, type what you want to build, and Bolt starts writing the code for you live. It is powered by Claude under the hood and is aimed at people who want to go from nothing to a working app as fast as possible. And then there is Anti-Gravity, the newest one. This is Google's answer to all of these tools. It launched in November 2025 alongside Gemini 3. Unlike the others, Anti-Gravity is what they call an agent-first IDE. It is not just giving you code suggestions, it's sending out AI agents that plan, write, test, and even browse the web, all without you watching every step. Now let us talk about what each one can actually do. Cursor is the best for everyday coding. Its tab completion is fast and smart, agent mode lets you describe a feature, and it will try to build it across multiple files at once. One thing Cursor does really well is checkpoints. If the AI goes off track, you can roll back to a previous version of your code, like save points in a video game. It also recently added background agents so the AI can keep working while you do something else. The big catch is that Cursor works best on small and medium-sized projects. On really large code bases, it can slow down and sometimes freeze while loading files. Claude Code is the terminal tool built for deep, serious work. It can read your entire codebase up to 200,000 tokens, which means it genuinely understands your whole project, not just the file you have open. It is great for large refactoring jobs, complex bugs, and writing tests across many files. It also uses far fewer tokens than Cursor for the same task, which can save you money. One test found Claude Code used 33,000 tokens to finish a complex job. Cursor used close to 188,000 for the same thing. The downside is there's no visual interface. If you are not comfortable in the terminal, the learning curve is real. Bolt is all about speed. You describe what you want and it produces a full working app right there in the browser. It is fantastic for prototypes, demos, and quick experiments. Non-developers use it all the time. It has one-click deployments so you can share your work almost immediately. The problem is that once your project gets complicated, custom logic, lots of data, a real backend, Bolt starts to struggle. It is built for fast starts, not long projects. And the token system can run out quickly when it rewrites files over and over. Anti-gravity is the most powerful of the four in terms of raw autonomy. You give it a task and it breaks into steps, writes a plan, writes the code, runs the app, opens a browser, and actually tests the interface by clicking around. It creates what they call artifacts, screenshots, task lists, screen recordings, so you can see what the AI did and leave feedback, just like commenting on a Google Doc. You can also run multiple agents at the same time on different parts of your project, and right now it is completely free during public preview. Now let us talk money. Cursor at $20 a month, that gets you unlimited tab completions and a set amount of agent usage. Heavy users can go up to $60 or $200 a month at the top tier. The credit system they introduced in mid-2025 caught a lot of people off guard. Some users ended up spending far more than expected. If you sign up, set a spending limit right away. Claude Code also starts at $20 a month for serious daily use. Most developers step up to maximum plans. $100 $100 a month for 5 times the usage, and $200 for 20 times. Because Claude Code uses tokens more efficiently, the real cost per task is often lower than Cursor, even if the headline price looks the same. Bolt is the cheapest way in. There is a free tier with 1 million tokens a month, though that can disappear fast, way faster than you think. Paid plans start at around $10, making it the most affordable option for casual use. Anti-gravity is completely free right now, no cost at all during the public preview. You get generous usage limits on Gemini 3 Pro. This is Google trying to win the market fast, but that free window will not last forever. Here's a simple breakdown. Use Cursor if you are an experienced developer who codes every single day and wants AI baked into the editor you already use. You like seeing every change before it happens. You work on medium-sized projects and want something that just works without a steep learning curve. Use Claude Code if you are comfortable in the terminal and work on a large complex project that needs the AI to truly understand your entire code base. You want the best long context performance available, and you do not mind a tool that operates more independently. Use Bolt if you are a founder, designer, or someone who is not a full-time developer. You need to ship a working prototype or MVP as fast as possible. You do not want to install anything locally, and you just want to see something live quickly. Use Anti-Gravity if you want the most advanced autonomous AI coding experience available right now, and you are okay with something still in preview. You want to run multiple agents in parallel, test your UI automatically, and you want all of that for free, then this is the best choice. Overall, though, no tool is perfect. Cursor's credit system can surprise you with a big bill if you are not careful. Large projects can also make it slow and laggy. Claude Code has no visual feedback during AI tasks. You need to get comfortable reviewing changes through Git. If the AI makes a mistake, you might not catch it until it's already done. Bolt hits a wall fast when your project grows. It is not built for serious, large-scale work and burns through tokens quickly. Anti-gravity is brand new and still rough in places. Google has a history of killing products, so building your workflow around it is a bit of a risk. It also needs a local install and at least 8 GB of RAM to run well. So, which one should you pick? For most developers, Cursor still is the safest daily tool, polished, reliable, and easy to pick up. For deep, complex work, Claude Code beats Cursor on context size, task quality, and token efficiency. To ship something fast and cheap, Bolt wins with no completion. To try the future of AI coding for free right now, Anti-Gravity is genuinely worth an hour of your time. The smartest move? These tools are not really competing. They cover different parts of your workflow. A lot of developers already use 2 or 3 of them together. Go ahead and check out all the 4 tools on their own websites, try them out, and let us know in the comments which one you will be using from now on. That's it for this video, guys. I really hope you did enjoy and found this video useful. If you did, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one where we go really in depth into all of these tools, and I'll see you in the next one.